Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. This session is for class 6, subject reasoning, chapter 9, lecture 1. Let's start our lecture. This is your holidays homework solution. Question number 1, rearrange the letter to form a meaningful word. A, B, S, A, S, D, R, O, M, A. The word is ambassador. AMBASSADOR. Question number 2. Rearrange the letter to form a meaningful word. The letters are VSERELA. The word is, our answer is SEVRAL. Several. Let's take question number 3. Statements are, all deposit are accounts. No loan is an account. All deposits are account. No loan is an account. Here it's Venn diagram. All deposits are account. All deposits are account. No deposits is a loan. No deposits is a loan. It means there is some possibility that loan is all loan is account. There is a possibility. So conclusion 1 is, at least some loans are account. No loan is an account. There is a possibility. No, it's not sure that loan is all loans are account. It's a possibility. So our answer is option C, either conclusion 1 or conclusion 2. It's maybe, because it's a possibility na, so it's maybe conclusion 1 is true or maybe conclusion 2 is true. Now take question number 4. Statements are, some vendors are client, all clients are customer. So our Venn diagram is, some vendors are client, all clients are customer. Conclusion 1 is, no vendor is a customer. No vendor is a customer. It's false. Conclusion 2 is, at least some vendors are customers. Some vendors are customer. It's true. Some vendors are customer. So our answer is option B only, conclusion 2. Question number 5. Statements are, no table is fruit. No table is fruit. No fruit is window. No fruit is window. All windows are chair. All windows are chair. This is our Venn diagram. Now take conclusion number 1. No window is table. No window is table. It's true. No chair is fruit. No chair is fruit. It's also true. No chair is table. No chair is table. It's also true. All chairs are windows. All chairs are windows. It's true. It means alls are correct. If there is any option all of the above, it is answer is true, but here is not any option according to our condition, so answer is option D, none of these. These instructions, these codes are given here. It's for question number 6 to 12. अगस्त is coded as, अगस्त का कोड क्या होगा, ये आपको बेटा कोड दिए हुए हैं और ये लेटर दिए हुए हैं कि इस लेटर का ये कोड है, तो आपको वो लिखना है. अगस्त, ए का कोड, ए कोड इज वी, यू कोड इज वाई, जी कोड इज एफ, U code is Y again, then S code is J, H code is, sorry, T code is H. So our answer is V, Y, F, Y, J, H. Board is coded as Q, Z, V, X, C. Our answer is option C. Digest is coded as C, W, F, N, J, H. So our answer is option B. These instructions for question number 9 to 11. Read the instructions. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and K are sitting around a circle facing the center. F is fourth to the right of A, who is third to the right of B. K is fourth to the right of B and third to the right of D. C is third to the right of H. E is second to the left of G. This is our diagram. Now let's see the questions. Question number 9. Who is fourth to the left of G? Our answer is option A, C. Question number 10. What is E's position with respect to B? Our answer is option D, third to the left. Question number 11. Who is opposite to F? Answer is option A, D. This instruction for question number 12 to 14. 8 members of a family A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are going together to watch IPL final match. E is the son of B and B is the mother of H. E is the son of B, B is the mother of H. D is the husband of H, D is the husband of H. F is the grandfather of A, F is the grandfather of A and husband of B and a husband of B. There are equal male and equal female in the family. C is only son of D, C is only son of D. G is the granddaughter of B, G is the granddaughter of B. H has one child, H has one child, which is C. So let's take our questions. How is A related to E? How is A related to E? Our answer is option D, daughter. Question number 13. If G is married to X, then how is X related to F? In these options, there is not an appropriate answer in this option, so we take option D, none of these. Question number 14. How is D related to G? Our answer is B, niece. In this question number 15 to 20, you have to complete the series. Question number 15 is, the series is MOPN. Repeat it 4 times. MOPN. MOPN, 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 MOPN. This is our series. So our answer is MNPMON. Option A. Question number 16. First letter is A, D, G, J. In this 4 letter gap, then 3 letter gap, then 2 letter gap. Similarly, first letter A, D, G, J and then M. Second letter C, F, I, L, then O. Our answer is MO. Option A. Question number 17. Z, T, N, H. Z, T, N, H. Then our answer is B. Option C. Question number 18. 1, 9, 25, 49, 81. In this, the series is square. 1 square, then 3 square of 3, then square of 5, then square of 7, then square of 9, then next one is square of 11. The answer is option C, 121. Question number 19. 4, 10, 22, 46, 190, 382. So missing number is option C, 94. How? 4 plus 6, 10. Then 10 plus 6 but multiply by 2. It's 22. Then 22. In this we double the number. The difference is going to be double. So our answer is option C, 94. Question number 20. 1, 0, 3, 2, 5, 6. Missing number 12, 9. In this there is 2 series. One is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Another is 0, 2, 6, 12. So we take the series 1, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. In this 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. So our answer is option C, 7. Thank you for watching. Keep like the video, subscribe our channel, keep smiling, sending your homework. Thank you.